Hey guys, welcome back. How's everyone doing? I'm excited to be back. From what I've seen and read and all that, we have Nvidia earnings report coming out at market open. Yeah, I believe so. That should come out very soon, in about 4 minutes. And my bias today, I'd say I'm kind of bullish, mainly because, well, we had this market structure shift over here during this week. I'm thinking Tuesday low, but at the same time, we're also still inside of Tuesday's range. If you see that, we're still inside Tuesday. So yeah, my idea for today is, if we go retrace, I'm gonna be bullish, push up and target previous day high, this daily fair value gap up there. But I'm also suspecting a reversal, a Thursday reversal, where Thursday retraces into a PD array on Monday, and so price reaches up into there and reverses. And so then taking our previous day high, and then the target would be the previous day low. So it's a little bit of mixed strategy that I'm going with here. I know these are definitely draws on liquidity. So it really depends. Do we take them out, immediately sweep them, and then reverse all the way down? Or do we just do a little retracement and the move for the day is up, reaching into those draws on liquidity? So that's how I'm framing it today. But to be honest, it does feel a lot more bullish. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. See what market wants to do. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think that's a fair analysis, even being a little bit unsure. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that London low would be a good target to sweep, and then, well, good area to sweep, and then targeting these areas here, mainly previous day high. News coming out. Well, Nvidia reports coming out in a couple seconds. Let's see. I'd much prefer us to just do this and sweep and like head that away. If you catch my drift. I'll make this yellow. This is my idea. Another reason why I think that is because if you think of daily profiles, London isn't really reaching for specific targets. I mean, we reached this accumulation area, but nothing very significant. So I don't know. I can say whatever at this moment, but just have to be patient. Okay, I see we do have a major SMT, don't we? From here to there, yes. We do have a giant SMT. But that was yesterday. Let's see what happens today. The only other news I saw was, I think, a orange folder, home sales or something like that. And that's at 5 p.m. Yeah, right in the middle of the macro there. Oh, and we have an SMT at the lows. Why didn't I see this? Should do some more analysis. There's things here that I'm only seeing now. That makes me more bullish, to be honest. I can see this SMT might not hold, but that's okay. We could be forming a new SMT once we possibly sweep this London low here. I would guess this would be our liquidity sweep or a high time frame delivery forming, and then from there it's just follow the setup, right? Getting to daily open. Hey Jordy, what do you mean by orgy? Sorry, perhaps that's a term I'm not familiar with. Oh, opening range gap. Is that what you mean? Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you mean. As in, which one particularly though? Ah, yes. For the week or for the day? need to be specific. Perhaps I'm not sure what you mean. Talking about this little gap over here. I usually call that the daily opening gap. Is that what you mean, perhaps? Oh, you caught some points. That's great. So you took the sell, this whole short down there. Wow. You are a sniper if you were able to do that. Sure. Okay, I see. At the quarter past 4, you say. Okay. I'm not sure. I don't trade in that way, so I might not be familiar. But yeah, congrats on the trade, man. We did sweep right through the daily open. Or at the true day open, we bounced off that, interestingly enough. It's an ICT thingy, yeah. Yeah. Probably something I don't use. I pick and choose specific things that work for the strat that I'm using. Yeah, Eastern Standard Time. That's the thing about conversions, hey. I'm South Africa, so I'm UCT plus 2 or GMT plus 2. Either way, I think I am still bullish. It seems so, hey, just the two of us. But happy that you're watching. Where are you watching from, just by the way? If I may ask. And in SA too, hence the away. Okay, I see. Yes. Yeah, I decided to keep the I decided to convert to South African time just because I find it easier that way. But I understand ICT usually adjusts to, New York time, and that's okay too. So I see your name's Jordy Trades. Do you trade as well? Are you recording your trades? Because if you are, I'd like to watch. Especially if you're also a fellow ICT trader. Be very interesting. I like seeing how other people trade. It's cool seeing like how they interpret the markets, because it's such a broad industry, so there's different ways of seeing different things, and a lot of the times they mean the same thing, just different terms. And it's fun to see because there's no one correct way. There's usually a number of ways you can go about it. 2018. Yo, you've been trading a while, dude. Maybe you should record. Nah, let me not encourage any sort of pressure. It is a bit of pressure to try and record. Away. Thanks a lot for the support. Now I'm patient. I'll hopefully grow this channel with your help. Thank you. I'm super keen. I just keep it chilled here. No stress. I'm not here to push a whole course in your face. Just me documenting trades, progressing, learning as I go, also teaching as I go, because what I learn doesn't come from nowhere, it comes from someone. So I have a responsibility to also pass on the knowledge. And I didn't get it from any paid course or blah blah blah. I got it for free, and I think other people should get it for free as well. But that's just my opinion. I think trading is the best skill that anyone can learn. And I would encourage lots of people to try it out. It's not for everyone, but it's a really good skill to have. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know where the momentum's gone now. Starting to feel a bit iffy on my idea for today. See, I was thinking we were going to sweep London. And then, continue with like taking out these draws on liquidity here. Equal highs, previous day high. Even reaching up to the fib for the whole week, But now it looks like we're sweeping previous day low, or we're heading down there. And now I wonder. I have now a question mark. Bullish. I see this now. This retracement on S&P. The 6 minutes. 6 minutes until we get the 5 o'clock news. It's just the orange folder, but yeah. We traded for Sunlum ETFs, and after I left, IC was the first thing I saw to what was happening at fund level. So no, definitely I can see why. Yes, ICT concepts in general I find are much more easier to grasp when you simplify it. And that's why my strategies may seem a bit too simplified, but it's understandable that way. And yeah, people might not like ICT himself, but you can separate the man from the method, Yeah, you might not like the guy, but if the tools work, they work. while you're shorting. Caught that beautiful ride down. Excellent. Very excellent. Now that's a good execution right there, if you manage to catch it. At this moment, it feels like I might have missed the move, but it's still within my session and we're within this macro, so I want to say anything could happen. I 100%, anything works with enough discipline. I 100% agree. I think people sleep on how important discipline is. Like, you don't even have to trade ICT, like, as long as you have an edge. I know that might sound cliche, but it's true. As long as you have an edge, you have your strategy, you know it works, you can find it, practice it, and you'll see, you'll become profitable, no problem. Stick to your rules. Bullish order block at true day open. Yeah. Now my bias is bullish, so that's why my peripherals are ignoring any sort of bear flags. But it's okay. I'm okay with missing today's trade. Honestly, it's a lesson. You might have to tell me what your secret is. What was your secret? %100% true. You see the craziest things. People, you could swear it looks like they're gambling, looks like they're drawing all these pictures, and this guy doesn't have a stop loss, and yeah. But if it works for them, it works for them. I mean, really, trading is not a place to judge, because it's very subjective. And discipline, definitely something that could make or break your edge. But yeah, I think bears won today, guys. Yeah, no, I missed it. 25th. Oh, okay. You mean there. It could most likely be. Would make sense, and then we sweep previous day low as an extra confluence to that 25th of Feb, and then probably reach at least 50%, get like a counter trend trade, depending if we're still gonna be bullish and push through, or we're just, because I doubt we're gonna make a huge reversal. No, it's gone way too far. I believe we've gone down how many? Basically 1.8% drop. I was so excited to trade today, guys. But we can't win them all. Also, what is up with these couple of weeks not giving the manipulation that one wants. Because if I wanted to be bearish today, I would expect price to at least, sweep some sort of major liquidity before going down. That would have made me feel a lot more bearish today. Hey, there goes my bot. Guys, I have a bot. It sends social links every half an hour. I don't know why that makes me so happy. Now, I'm not going to chase a falling knife, so I'm not interested in taking a sell trade today, so I don't know. I don't think price is gonna give me the nice retracements that I would want to take a sell, so quite hesitant. For real, without that manipulation, doesn't make sense. Nightbot. Hey, that's my buddy over there. I'm sure you that's the only thing he's gonna say. You can claim the spotlight. I am from South Africa. %100% born, raised South African. Not from Cape Town, I can tell you that. But yeah, 100% Suid-Afrikaner, you're South African. Oh, specifically, I would say Eastern Cape. But that's as specific as I will go. Otherwise, yeah, it's dangerous out here. Can't be giving out locations. Also, what is happening on that side? I'm hearing some strange news. Yeah, that bot is probably infused with AI, ready to track you. I wonder, what's this, right? What's this happening? Are we just retracing? Feels like we're retracing. But why? Hold on, look at this hourly. No, but this hour just started. Are we sweeping Tuesday low? Can't be. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know, I'm always hearing some weird things, whether it's political or, but yeah, let me not get into that. I don't want this to become political discussions. It's very dangerous talk. For real, this feels like a sweep, but at the same time, why? So you full on day trader or do you scalp? Yeah, that low should have an SMT. Yeah, because this is Tuesday's low. So at the moment, SMT at the lows. That's currently. But it's quite questionable though. Like for real, look at SMT over here. I mean, SMP. This is previous day low. This is also a previous day low. But the thing is, if we are reversing, I don't want to see any of this chop or whatever. I would like to see us inverse nicely over this, you know, and then maybe break structure or somewhat something, but this doesn't look very clean. I would rather wait and see what price does. For real, I don't trust it so much. See, this is our fair value gap here, but we're not inversing very nicely. See, the last time I had an inversion, we had this kind of price action and it ended up not being valid, because what you want to see with that inversion is this side also making PD arrays, so making bullish fair value gaps or something like that, just to add to the confluence. So that's why I'm so hesitant. $58. This one here. Yes. I was just mentioning now, if we like I said, if we make bullish fair value gaps like this, I believe still counts. So yes, I agree with you. If we do close, I might also consider that entry. My entry would either be here or just the fair value gap if we do close above here. But yeah, it looks like we closed above on S&P though. S&P is looking like it's fitting, you know, the thing. And look at that also. Like it's respecting this gap right now. Up, it's going. I think that was it. I do trade only these two, yes. I tend to trade more Nasdaq than S&P. Just I prefer those two. They work very well with how I trade, and they have the volatility, and I use them to compare for SMTs. Yeah, S&P is looking like the very strong one right now. If we can get a retracement, that would be great. Then I'll be happy to go for a buy. You're in already. Nice. I'm a little bit shaky. I like a little bit of more confirmation. Or maybe it's just that I'm a little cautious when it comes to price just moving away so quickly. But perhaps I will get practice taking those fast entries. You with your experience, I'm sure you know what you're doing, but I'm trying to be as careful as possible. You scared now? Did you risk it? Risk it for the biscuit? Yeah, I'm wondering now, is it just going to keep moving and not come back at all? I'd like to see a retracement first. Bruh. This is the part that tests patience, having to wait. Watching price just take its time. Yeah, this is a slow creeper. It's not explosive. Which is unfortunate. I prefer those that move quickly. I want to know right then and there. Is it a winning trade? Is it leaving me? Is it gonna come back? I'd like to know as soon as possible. Looks like we might get a retracement. I hope. It's a 5-minute chart. Yeah, Nasdaq. It either moves the way you want it to, or it does this nonsense. I'm really hoping we get a deep enough retracement, not like this. Not like a small wick and then leave. Like that, you see, on the 3-minute you can see it looks like we wick into this gap and then continue. Same, bruh. It's boring watching price creep like this. But yeah, I usually try and cut it off at 5:30. Sometimes earlier if I see, price isn't doing anything interesting. I wonder if this is the retracement I'm looking for. Please. The thing is, even if it is, I have to be sure. What would my targets be? It's difficult to see. A Nasdaq. It seems better on S&P. Away. Now we'll leave same time, same time. Yeah, I find it's usually in this window that price has the most movement. So I think it's best, zoning into a specific time of day, specific days in the week. Really kind of, I don't know what's the word. It kind of, I'm trying to look for the word now. Away. Yeah, it's Thursday today. It was Wednesday night, yes, I understand. Like, what's happening on a Thursday at your church? Is it an event? Or do you guys have like it's not a youth thing, or perhaps you have like nighttime church? Which is a thing. Like, I've done nighttime church quite often in the past. Yeah, no, I think price is gonna leave and not give the retracement. Just one of those days. But I need to learn how to catch it and spot it. It's hard to spot these kind of entries. Yawny. Youth group. Okay, makes sense. Now, I remember youth was always fun with the people that you're with, because they make learning and just bonding with people feel like the experience you're supposed to have at church, It's all about that community. I don't know, I'm just saying things at this point, guys. I'm bored. There's like 6 minutes left. And yeah, market is just not giving, Did I say 4 minutes? There's 6 minutes left. This could be an entry opportunity. Perhaps. But at the same time, look at how we swept this area on S&P. Could also be that we start to go down now. You see, it's all very sussy at the moment. Is the bot back? The bot? Nah, I don't think the bot is here. He's in the shadows. He's in the shadows. I don't know if this works out as an entry. That'd be cool. But yeah, nah. I think I might cut it early. I don't think Wait, are you taking it? Okay, no, wait, now I'm gonna stay just to see how did it go. Need a 1 minute CST first. Okay, let's see. See, that's an entry right there. Perhaps I'll take it. Perhaps. I think it might retrace a little deeper. We're just looking now at S&P. There's this order block sitting here, or what would we call it, mitigation block. Interesting, very interesting. Now why must it do this? Consolidate. It isn't. It's not very nice, and that's why you shouldn't force. I agree, yes. Yeah, too many times I've tried to force something that I think I see and it's not there. What do we have now? Almost 2 minutes left. I just want to see, is it going to respect? Oh. Is it? Nah, I don't think it's respecting. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down for a little bit more. Let's see. It would have been so nice if it retraced. Then boom. It is. There's nothing happening. True. I think I'll call it a day. Yeah, no. Nothing interesting happened for me today. Hopefully you managed to make some profits. You into micros? Away. Now good luck on the trade. You said you put what? Your stop loss. How would your trade look like? Something like this? Maybe? Midnight open. Yeah, that makes sense. Which is basically, I don't like this price action, to be honest. Midpoint of the inversion. Okay, more down. Yeah. Oh, this inversion. Like this. Because I think you mean this inversion, right? Ah, there's the bot again. Yeah, no, I'm not loving this price action. So, I'm gonna close the charts. It's just not for me today. I hope you've been able to profit, Jordy. Hope to see you guys tomorrow, same time. You're close to your stop loss. Oof. Sorry about that, man. But I hope it wasn't too bad. Too bad of a loss. Hopefully we can get it tomorrow. I have a feeling tomorrow's price action is gonna be so much better. Away. Now if you had a green day, that's awesome. Solid day. Now I'll check you guys tomorrow. Shot a lot for being here, for support. Take care, fam, as well. It's been chilled. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.